Travel smart, stylish and leak-proof toiletry bottles. Tired of leaks ruining your carry-on? Meet the ultimate travel companion, the 18-pack TSA-approved silicone toiletry bottles. Chic, leak-proof, and environmentally friendly, these bottles promise stress-free packing for any adventure. Crafted with premium, BPA-free silicone, these bottles are durable, odorless, and eco-friendly. Their 3-layer leak-proof design keeps your toiletries intact during flights. Perfect for liquids, creams, or sprays, they fit neatly into your carry-on and comply with TSA guidelines. Style meets function with these must-have travel essentials. This set includes everything from 3 ounces squeeze bottles to small cream jars, spray bottles, and even filling accessories like a funnel and spatulas. Customizable labels ensure effortless organization. Whether it's shampoo, lotion, or creams, pack like a pro with these versatile containers. Heading to the airport, camping in the wild, or navigating overseas hotels? These bottles fit any journey. Lightweight, compact, and spill-proof, they're your trusted packing solution for organized and hassle-free travel. Transform the way you pack with this all-in-one travel kit. Say goodbye to leaks and clutter, get your travel essentials today. Click the link in the description and pack like a pro. Your suitcase deserves this upgrade. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more exciting products.